At least 2 persons sustained injuries in crossfiring near Pilyang village situated 30 kilometers from Heirok police station. In a fresh bout of violence in Manipur, heavy exchange of fire has been reported between armed groups and Heirok village volunteers group at the periphery of Pilyang village under Machi block in Tengnopal district, leading the route from Heirok police station in Thobal district. The firing reportedly started in wee hours today. It may be recalled that because of the effect of the model code of conduct for the ensuing Lok Sabha election in the state, firing between the two groups was halted. According to a source, yesterday the residents were kept awake by news that armed militants from Pilyang village were heading towards the valley region with highly advanced weaponry. After receiving the information, the state forces rushed to the scene. The injured volunteer has been identified as Ningtojam James, 24 years, son of Rajiv, resident of Heirok Part 2, Laimayum. He has been admitted to Raj Medicity at North AOC, Imphal, after sustaining bullet injuries in his abdomen. According to an information received by media, his condition is said to be stable. After ceased firing for some hours, Assam Rifles from Palil area came to the scene and resumed firing at 8:30 a.m., targeting volunteers from Heirok village in an attempt to drive them from the area. Furthermore, there is a suspicion that the other group may have also reported injuries. Besides, Mirapaivis are on vigil along the road to safeguard the area soon after extra central forces headed for the spot.
Ready?